Now we will move on our next topic, that is on page number 95. Come on page number 95. Here is non-fiction. Devastation 1815. Devastation Urdu mean तबाही और बर्बादी. A very famous volcanic eruption. Volcanic mean Urdu mean आतिश फिशा and eruption Urdu mean फट जाना, यानी आतिश फिशा का फट जाना, और यूजुअली ये ओशंस में होता है. Was that of Thembura on the Indonesian island of Sumbawa in 1815. The eruption of the volcano Thembura in 1815 ejected 45 cubic kilometers of rock, ash and dust into the atmosphere. It caused terrible devastation. I mean खौफनाक तबाही का ये जो था, ये वजह बनी है. 50,000 people died. 50,000 people died. The Thembura language was extinguished and nobody could live on the island for many years afterwards. यानी बहुत से साल जो हैं, बहुत से सालों बाद वहाँ पे कोई रह नहीं सका था, कोई इंसान रह नहीं सकता था, इतनी तबाही और बर्बादी हुई थी. Its climatic effects were also catastrophic. Catastrophic mean devastating. The temperature of the world dropped, and 1816 was known in America and Europe as year without summer. यानी समर के बगैर ये जो गुजरा था. The sunlight was blocked out by thick grey dust in the atmosphere and the crop failed. यानी जो सन जो था वो सूरज की रोशनी नहीं निकल सकी थी. रीज़न ये थी कि वहाँ पे जो ये वल्केनिक आतिशफ़िशा जो फटा था, ये हुआ था, तो उस वजह से डस्ट और ऐश जो थी एटमॉस्फेयर में थी और कोई क्रॉप्स नहीं ग्रो हुई थी. In some places there was famine. As people could not afford the high prices of the flour for making bread which was scarce. People were desperate and there were riots. लोग जो थे यानी खाने पीने की जो चीज़ें थी वो महंगी हो गई थी. इवन फ्लोर भी अफोर्ड एबल नहीं था, और वहाँ पे डिस्प्लेट मीन मायूसी एंड देयर वर राइट्स मीन फसादात. मायूसी और फसादात किसी सिचुएशन थी. हेयर or fill in the blanks, fill in the gaps with the following words appropriate. Words are effects and affected. First, one dash of the volcanic eruption was that the island could not be lived on for a long time. One effect of the volcanic. Here you have to write, you people write effect. Second, even the climate was dashed by the eruption of the volcanic. Even the climate was affected. In second, fill in the blanks. You people have to write affected. Third one is the dash of the volcanic eruption were felt all over America and Europe. The effects. In third, fill in the blanks. You have to write the effects. Now come on next page number 96. Fourth is the crops in Europe and America were affected by the catastrophe. In fill in the blanks, you have to write affected. The crops in Europe and America were affected by the catastrophe. Fifth and last one is generally the dash of the eruption were devastating. Generally the effects here you have to write effects of the eruptions were devastating. Our next topic is poetry. Poem Darkness. Lord Byron, the famous English poet. Lord Byron was a famous English poet, lived through the year without a summer, mentioned in Devastation 1815. यानी ये लॉर्ड बैरन जो था फेमस इंग्लिश पोइट था, और ये उस साल जो विदाउट समर था उसमें रहा है 1815 में जो तबाही हुई थी. ही रोट अ लॉन्ग पोएम कॉल्ड डार्कनेस. उसने लॉन्ग पोएम लिखी डार्कनेस अबाउट द इफेक्ट्स ऑफ द एरप्शंस दैट ईयर. यानी उस साल जो वल्केनिक एरप्शंस के जो इफेक्ट हुए थे उस पर इसने पोएम डार्कनेस लिखी थी. Here are a few lines from that poem. These are few lines of the poem Darkness. You have to read out. Suffix. What is suffix, students? A suffix is a syllable. A suffix is a syllable which does not make सेंस ऑन इट्स ओन. इसकी सफिक्स की अपनी कोई एक सिलेबल है जिसकी अपनी कोई मीनिंग नहीं होती है. However, when it is added to the end of a word, it change the meaning of the stem word. सफिक्स की अपनी कोई मीनिंग नहीं होती, एक सिलेबस होता है, लेकिन जब ये किसी वर्ड के एंड में इसको ऐड कर दिया जाता है तो ये उस ये एक स्टेम वर्ड की जो है वो मीनिंग चेंज कर देता है. एन एग्जाम्पल इज द सफिक्स लेस. एन एग्जाम्पल इज द सफिक्स इज लेस, which means without. Less mean without. 3 appear in the lines of the poem. Can you find them? Here are some other examples. Stem word. Stem word is sense noun. Stem word is sense noun. Add the suffix less. जब हम इसमें sense में suffix ऐड करेंगे, एंड में less ऐड करेंगे तो वर्ड क्या बन जाएगा? senseless. Senseless. Here is another example of suffix. Your argument is senseless, and other example is stem word is use noun. Stem word is use when we will add suffix. Add the suffix less. जब हम इसके साथ suffix less ऐड करेंगे तो क्या बन जाएगा? useless, meaningless, useless and senseless are the examples of the suffix. Summary of the poem Darkness. The poem continues to describe cold, gloomy earth where men turn to survival instincts. In this extended time of darkness and despair, birds fell from the sky, snakes lost their venom, food supplies run out, humans turn to scavengers and eventually to cannibals. Now note down your homework. You have to read page number 89, 94 and 95. Write and learn, fill in the blanks that are on page number 95, and also you have to write the summary of the poem and you have to learn it also. Next we will teach in next lecture inshallah. Take care students. Allah Hafiz.